In this video, we will go over how to make changes to modules. Under Site Manager, click Module Templates. Here we have templates for all of the modules. On this particular site, the module templates that are being used are the blog, customer cases, customer orders, online shop, and site search. The other module templates don't apply to this site, but if you had a site that used these other modules, then you would make those changes here. We're going to use online shop layouts as an example of how to make changes. But first, let's take a closer look at our online shop. Here is our small list layout. And if we click into the details page, this is our large layout. And on this layout, we have a link to the shopping cart. We have a title, a large image, a price, poplets, a description, attributes, quantity text box, and then a Buy Now button. If we want to change this layout or the design, we do that in the module templates. So let's click Online Shop Layouts, and then click Individual Product Large. This is where we make all of our changes. The first thing you might have noticed is the text that starts off with tag, an underscore, and then some copy that is inside curly brackets. These are called data tags. If you click Add Modules and Tags, you'll notice in the right-hand side we have a toolbox. And these list all of the tags that we have for this layout. This contains all of the data that you may use inside a module template. Because we are in the e-commerce module layout, we have all of the data tags related to this layout, such as name, price, description, etc. Now, if we wanted to add how many t-shirts were left in stock, we could easily do this by using a couple of tags. I'm going to go into the HTML view, and underneath description, I'm going to add a paragraph. And inside the paragraph, I'm going to type in stock. And now I want to put a couple of tags. The first one is going to be in stock. I'm going to add a space and then put unit type. And I'm going to hit save. And you can see it here. It says in stock and then the tag in stock, space, tag, unit type. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow the user to know how many items we have left in stock. So let's go take a look. I'm going to hit refresh, and you'll notice underneath the description it says in stock 59, and that's how many items we have left in the inventory. But it actually doesn't say the unit type. And the reason why it's not showing the unit type is because we haven't added a unit type for this product. So let's go do that now. I'm going to go into e-commerce, products, and then go into the item that we're working in. And then underneath more options, I'm going to give it a unit type. I'm going to call it t-shirts. Hit save. And now let's go back and refresh. And now it says 59 t-shirts. Now this 59 is dynamic. Of course, if I were to go in and buy one of these t-shirts and then come back and hit refresh, it would be 58. So as you can see, it's easy to get the appropriate data from Business Catalyst. And we can take that data and design the layout any way we want. And this is for any Business Catalyst module, not just e-commerce.